Hi guys, let's make some fruit cake for the Christmas. So here are all my ingredients I need for this recipe.
Please share, subscribe, like, watch the video to the end and ask your questions in the comment section.
So here I have butter, vegetable oil, flour, sugar, that's castor sugar or white sugar, brown sugar, soaked fruits, baking powder. This is my rum. It's a part of the fruits. I just separated it. And this is my browning. These are my eggs. So let's get started. First things first, I have to start whipping up my butter. That is my fat and my sugar.
I added the dry fruits at this early stage because I don't like to see the lumps of fruits in my cake. Just the way we buy fruit bread and you get to see the lumps of the fruit. I personally do not like them. So I added at this stage so that because it's been soaked for long, so that the mixer can help to, dissect these things and it can break up easily. I just like to see it in bits and not in huge chunks. That's why. If you notice, I am combining and alternating my ingredients at the same time. I didn't add all the flour at the same time. I add flour, add some liquid, that is eggs, flavor, rum, and some other stuff. This will help it to combine properly so that you don't have lumps of flour stacked up in a particular area. It's going to help you to incorporate everything gradually and gently. I like to add my baking powders last so that it doesn't start rising immediately. So guys, this is one sure method I use to release my mixer from the batter so that we don't have so much batter stocked up in the middle. Look at it. I raise it up gradually. I reduce the speed until I pull it out. You can see I don't have so much clumped up on the mixer. So finally, I am using my spatula, my hand spatula, to give it what I call the spatula wicks. This is just using my hand to manually remove air bubbles, ensure everything is well incorporated. And this is me using the remnant butter to apply oil on my pan. Afterwards, I went ahead to, portion the batter into the three different um, pans that I have before I proceed with the next step. After I brought it out from the oven, I allowed it to sit for about 10 to 15 minutes so that it can release itself. I mean, the cake can release itself from the pan so that it don't have to struggle removing the cake from the tin. So this is me pulling it out with so much ease. The pans are beautiful pans and they are easy to use. I got those pans from Sugar Bits. You can search them up on Instagram. They stock up quality pans and they deliver. So after about 10-15 minutes maximum, I pull it out and this is what we have. No burnt zone. These cakes are beautiful. And next thing I need to do, because of the harmattan, I mean the weather, I didn't allow it to sit for so long. I think I let it for an extra 10 minutes after I pulled it out of the pan, making it 20 minutes in total. And with my cling film, I begin to wrap this. The essence of this is so that we can have enough moisture in the cake. The weather is dry, we have harmattan, so your cakes and baked products can dry up very easily. So that when you're eating it, at least you can be able to feel the flavorfulness of whatever you've baked. So I first wrap the first one while I take a trial or test what I have baked with the smaller loaf bands. So guys, ensure you watch this video to the end. Check description for all the details you need. If you don't understand anything, feel free to ask me any question in the comment section. I will be glad to put you through. This is the perfect Christmas fruit cake you'll be needing for this season. You can put this up together in an hour 30 minutes and you and your family will enjoy, or you can even gift out to your neighbors and friends and people you cherish.
This cake, it is delicious. My recipes always are